Hi everyone, Tony here. Today we're going to do a short video on making a graduation yard sign. I'm going to use my daughter and let's get going here. Alright, first you want to go to CVS.com and then select the photo button. It'll take us into the photos. Then we want to go to prints. And then we're going to look through all the prints. Here they are, yard signs. All right, 18 by 25. Today we're getting a special promo code that ends today. Here's the graduation sign. I want to choose. Down here you're gonna be able to tell if it's available at your CVS. This one isn't at my CVS, but the CVS is close by and I could go pick it up there. You get to choose from your colors on the bottom. This is the closest to our school. I'm going to hit create now. The size for creating. I'm going to get more photos. I already created one, but I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to get more photos. I'm going to get them from my computer. I'm not going to create an album. We're just going to put it into the existing one. Select photos. I'm going to go to my desktop. I already have a folder for them. Grad photos. So I'm going to grab the two photos I'm going to use. I don't have a big landscape one, so this is what I want to do. And actually, it's an image from her first grade and her graduation year. So actually, see, I can't, if I was going to put them in, I'd have to do this. Okay. And then I can't put that one in because I would have to put that in there. So my solution was I went over to Photopea. It's a free online photo image manipulator like Photoshop, but it's free. I created a new project. I put in the dimensions that CVS has, 36, 38 by 27, 38. You can give it a name, grad sign, maybe yard sign. Okay, and then hit create. Now we have, this is the size of the yard sign. So now I want to go to file, open in place. Now I'm into the folder, my grad photo folder. I'm going to click this image. It's going to load it in there. Now I'm going to place it on the bottom, grab the corner and stretch it. You don't have to hit no other buttons to keep it constrained. Up here, you want to click the little check mark to confirm. Now that's placed. Then I'm going to go to File, Open in Place. I'm going to grab the second image. I'm going to click that, and I'll do the same thing. I'll stretch it into place. And I'll move it over to the left. Put it right there. I like that. Hit the check mark to confirm. Now this one's a little bit bigger, so over here in the layers panel, I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to put it underneath, or grab this one and put it on the top. That way it kind of looks a lot better. Then I'm going to go to File, Export as, JPEG. Now it's going to hit save here. I could check here. This one I want to load this to the device, so you have to give it access when you use this. Allow this time. This is the folder it's already in. So I already saved one, but we'll save this one as 2. Hit save. Now already, because I ran through this, I'm going to grab this picture and I'm going to hit the up arrow and move the picture up. And I'll explain to you when we get back over to CVS why I did this. And I'm going to try to get the heads just like that. And then I'm going to hit File, Export as JPEG. Same thing, except this one, I'm going to go back. I'm going to name it grad sign 3 and save it. Okay, so now we're going to go to the create your yard sign. And then I'm going to say get more photos. My computer. We'll go to existing album, select photos. All right, so now we got yard sign 2. I'm going to hold CTRL and take both of them, yard sign 2 and 3. Click open. And now they're over here. So I could tell by the heads, where the heads are aligned. This is the first one. We'll put this in here and stretch it up a little bit. Now you see how that doesn't look so good. All right, so now we'll take this one and put it in there. See, that's the one where I lifted her up a little bit more. I like that. Then you have down here, you have the text. You can edit the text of the school. Oh. And then you could do her name. I click over here, see what it looks like. I like that. I'm going to hit review and buy. It'll tell you the promo code one more time. This is the review. This is what your sign's going to look like. How many you want? I'm going to get 2. Product has been added to my cart. You could either make another one or go to your cart. Now it's got the same information, all the information you need. I put the promo code in. That takes off half. There's my final bill right there. Okay. Well, thanks again for watching. I hope you liked it. And if you like it, give a thumbs up. And if you really like it, subscribe. And I'll catch you later.